If you want a rich girl glowing skin without spending a fortune, then stop buying expensive creams that don't work. I'm showing you a budget-friendly skincare routine that will make your skin soft, radiant, and bougie looking, all on a budget. Go girl. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Now let's be real, we all want that rich girl expensive looking skin, but not everybody have thousands to spend on skincare. That's why in today's video I'll be showing you how to glow like a baddie on a budget. So if you're new to skincare or you're a student or working class, then this video is for you, because I'll be showing you how to get that soft, radiant, beautiful, glowing skin using everyday affordable skincare products that work. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Now, the first step in every skincare routine is to cleanse. This is where you need an affordable body soap or body wash that can be able to cleanse your skin, get rid of the deaths on your body without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. And because our main goal is to glow like a baddie on a budget, you're going to need a brightening or glow soap like this extract soap. I love this particular one with carrots and shea butter because of how it makes the skin feel. This is one of the best affordable soaps out there that is going to help cleanse your skin gently, exfoliate your skin mildly, and give you a smooth, instant, supple skin. It contains not just carrots and shea butter, it also has niacinamide in the form of vitamin B3 and also salicylic acid that makes it exfoliate the skin. That's like your BHA. So using this particular extract soap is going to make your skin look luxurious, all on a budget. This is an affordable soap. It's not up to 3,000 naira and is going to get the job done. Other bar soaps that I love and will recommend for a baddie that cannot get the extract soap, maybe if you're in the UK, US, and you can't lay your hands on the extract soap, you can simply get those good molecule soap or the fair and white bar soap. Any of those two is going to do the same job as this, if not better. Those ones, they are also going to brighten you, tone up your skin, and give you a radiant, smooth, soft skin. And the amazing thing about these bar soaps is the fact that they can actually be used on both your face and your body. All you need to do is to wet your face first and lather it in your palm, and then gently use it to wash your face. Don't go and apply the soap directly on your face, just lather it and then use it to wash your face and your body. Now, other amazing or affordable soaps that I love is this Vaseline B3 soap. You can also get the Ashanti soap or the Hawaii soap. Any of the soaps is still going to do the same job as this one. So all of them are perfect for anyone that wants to glow on a budget. Now, for those of you that don't enjoy using bar soaps or you just don't like bar soaps, you can use a body wash like this Fuchsia shower gel with turmeric, carrots, and papaya. I think this currently retails at the cost range of 8,000 to 10,000 naira. I don't think it's more than that currently. Now, if you can't lay your hands on this, you can get this Dove Glow Recharge Body Wash. This particular one is actually available worldwide. You can get it on Amazon or any store around you. And I actually love the ingredients in this one. I love the part that it's formulated with not just vitamin C, it also contains exfoliating minerals and 3% brightening serum that makes it a glow recharge. This is going to help brighten your skin and give you a radiant, smooth, supple skin. If you should use this particular body wash, trust me, you're going to understand luxury on a budget. Like, the feel you're going to get with this is amazing. So any of the soap or body wash that I've shown you is definitely going to do the job of cleansing your skin. Now, I need you to know that if your skin isn't clean, nothing else will work. Immediately you're done cleansing, the next product you will need is a scrub. This is where you need your body scrub, so your exfoliating hand gloves or even an exfoliating lotion. You can use body scrubs like this alpha arbutin body scrub, or you can use a regular hand glove to exfoliate your skin. Now, if you can afford to get an exfoliating lotion, I would highly recommend that. Getting an exfoliating lotion like the Alpha Renewal one is cost effective. I think that one retails around 15 to 17,000 naira. I don't think it's up to 20,000 currently. So you can use any of them to exfoliate your skin. You can also get the amlactin lotion. That's if you can afford to get it. There are small sizes available, so you can get those ones. Now, I need you to know that exfoliation is the key to having that soft, smooth, radiant, glowing skin like a baddie or most celebrities you see online. If you want your skin to look all nice, all glowy, all soft and radiant, you need to be exfoliating. This is the only way you will get compliments with your skin, because exfoliating your skin will help you to get rid of all those dead skin cells, unclog your pores, remove all the bumps on your skin, and make your skin look all smooth and brighten your complexion as well. So if you want a clean skin like a fresh girl, you better start exfoliating your skin 2 or 3 times weekly, and that is simply it. You can also get the school spa scrub. Now, the next step in this routine is to use a body lotion. And sincerely, moisturizing and nourishing your skin is the way to get a soft, plump, healthy, glowing looking skin. So a hydrating, moisturizing, and brightening lotion is what a baddie needs to have in their skincare routine. A baddie does not have any business with bleaching creams. They just need hydrating lotions that will pamper their skin, make it soft, plump, healthy, and radiant. Like, you want your natural skin tone to be extremely glowing. When someone sees you, they are definitely going to be admiring your skin. So hydrating lotions, brightening lotions, nourishing lotions is what a body needs. You don't want to damage your skin as a body, trust me, or have discolorations on your body. Nah, that's not the vibe. So lotions with niacinamide, vitamin C, or milky lotions is all you need. And some of my favorite ones to recommend for anybody on a budget that wants a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin is this Pro Lab Alpha Arbutin Niacinamide Skin Corrector Body Lotion. I love this particular one, especially when paired with extract soap or the Frusia wash or Dove wash that I showed you earlier. You're going to love the effect on your skin. This is one of the best tone correcting lotions that is going to help you even out your complexion, smoothen your skin, moisturize your skin, and nourish your skin at the same time. See, this is a lightweight lotion and it can also be used on both face and body. I really love this particular body lotion, guys, and it works wonders on the skin. So if you're a baddie and you're on a budget, you can get this particular body lotion. You will love the effect on your skin. In fact, it will give you that baby soft skin that you're looking for. Now, other affordable lotions that I love and I'll recommend is the Vaseline Healthy Bright Lotion. This particular body lotion is also amazing. It's very moisturizing and it's going to help tone up your skin gradually when you use it with a good body wash. So you can pair this with your Frusia body wash or your Dove body wash to get the best result. Now, if you have like few cash to splurge, you can get the Advanced Korean Brightening Lotion. All those lotions I've shown you are affordable. It's going to help brighten and glow up your skin. It will give you a soft skin as a body. And I don't think any of these body lotions is more than 10,000 naira. See, using any of these body lotions I just showed you guys will definitely glow up your skin. I don't need to say much. Just go and try them and come and thank me later. You will love the effect on your skin. Now, you will also be needing a good body oil to seal in all that moisture, all that glow, and make your skin more soft, plump, and glowy. And some of my favorite and amazing body oils to recommend for my baddies on the budget is this O series body oil. You see, this particular body oil is small but mighty. is going to glow your skin, moisturize your skin, nourish your skin. And I love the fact that it helps with uneven skin tone, discolorations, and stretch marks as well. This body oil is super effective and is affordable. I think the last time I got it was around 3,000 plus. I don't think it's more than 3,000 naira. It's an amazing body oil that is very affordable. Now, if you can't lay your hands on the O series oil, maybe you're in the US or UK, you can get the Spama's Vanilla Body Oil, another of my favorites and affordable body oil. This will glow your skin and have you smelling like luxury. If you want to smell nice while glowing up your skin, then this Palmer's one is amazing. It will work wonders for you. And when paired with any of the body lotions and soaps I've shown you, your skin will definitely be popping. Now, another affordable body oil that I love is this CeraVet body oil. I don't know, for some reason, this is an amazing body oil that is going to give your skin that radiant look while glowing and sealing in moisture. So any of those body oils you can lay your hands on would definitely do the job. These are body boosting oils that will have your skin shining and it's definitely going to give you that crazy glow. Now, the next product you will need is a good face cream. I already said you can use your face soap or body soap, body wash on your face to wash your face, okay? But please do not use your body lotions on your face. You will need a proper face cream, especially if you're on a budget. So since we're on a budget, we are not trying to do much. So we already saved ourselves some coin from buying like face cleansers. But if you can still afford face cleansers, that will be okay. But if you can't get face cleansers, your soaps can do the job, okay? And your body wash, you can use them while washing your body in the shower and also wash your face. But we are not about to compromise on having good face creams because most body lotions will not give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing face. And that's the simple truth. So you will need a good face cream. And some of my favorites and affordable face creams to recommend for anyone on a budget that wants a smooth, bright, beautiful, glowing skin is this Pure Carrot face cream or the Neutrogena face cream. You can also get the Garnier Vitamin C face cream or this Advanced Korean face cream. I also love the, if you're looking for a brighter, lighter, glowing face, you can use this Always Bright face cream. Quite affordable and will get the job done. So all those face creams are amazing. They will give you a smooth, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. I think the least one on here is around 3,000 or 3,500, and that's the Pure Carrot one, while the Always one is around like 5,000 naira currently. So any of those face creams you can lay your hands on would definitely do the job. It will give you a smooth, beautiful, radiant face. And you don't need to use like maybe serums and all of that. You can just use them with a good face wash or face cleanser and you're definitely good to go. Lastly, you're going to need a good sunscreen. Even on a budget, please never skip a sunscreen. You actually need a good sunscreen to be able to glow and achieve that radiant smooth skin that you want. And some of my favorite and affordable sunscreens to recommend is the Biore sunscreen, the Suncut sunscreen. You can also get the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. See, when it comes to sunscreen, they are actually not cheap. So you need to sun protect your skin to avoid damaging your skin or having sunburns and all of that. That way, your skin is definitely going to be popping and glowing at the same time. Now, let's summarize this routine and how to use them. So the first step is to go in with your extract soap, which costs 1,000, like a body scrub, the Alpha body scrub, which is around 5,000 naira or 4,500. And the next one is your body lotion, which is this Pro Lab lotion. I don't think it's more than 10,000 naira. Finally, you will need a good body oil. The O series body oil is not more than 3,000 naira. But this CeraVet one is around 7,000 naira. That is it for your body product. Now for your face, you can cleanse your face with the same soap or you can use a mouth cleanser. Then you can use a good face cream like the Pure Carrot face cream or the Garnier face cream, which is around 3.5. And finally, you're going to need a good sunscreen. This Suncor sunscreen, I got it around 16,000 naira, so it's quite expensive. But the Biore one, I think, is around 7,000. So do the maths. With just 30,000 or more or less, your skin will definitely be popping like a real life body. So you see, you don't need all those 200,000 naira body lotion or 150,000 naira body lotion. With just less than 50,000 naira, your skin will be popping like a body. Now, I need you guys to know that consistency beats having fancy products in your skincare routine that do little to nothing or that will do the same job as these affordable ones. So please try and be consistent with those routines. And within the next 4 weeks, your skin will definitely be glowing and popping. Learn to treat your skin like your handbags and your shoes. If you love this routine and you want more budget-friendly glow hacks, please like this video and subscribe. And if you're still confused on which products will work for your skin type, you can book our one-on-one consultation section, or you can simply comment your skin type and I'll tell you the best products to combine from this routine. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.